southeastern New York until 7 p.m. At 6:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hawthorne or near Tarrytown, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Nyack around 6:05 p.m. Tarrytown and Orangeburg around 6:10 p.m. Tappan around 6:15 p.m. White Plains and Port Chester around 6:20 p.m. Scarsdale around 6:25 p.m. Yonkers and Rye around 6:30 p.m. New Rochelle and Riverdale around 6:35 p.m. Co-op City and City Island around 6:40 p.m. East Tremont and Sands Point around 6:45 p.m. Mott Haven and Troggs Neck Bridge around 6:50 p.m. Great Neck and LaGuardia Airport around 6:55 p.m. Jamaica and Flushing around 7 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here is the forecast for the New York City metropolitan area. Tonight, mostly cloudy.